PIA Central Visayas continues its mandate in communicating accurate and relevant information to the Filipinos. PIA 7 continually provides intensive support in keeping Filipinos aware of the programs, services, and accomplishments of the government down to the grassroots level. In the past 3 months, we have continuously coordinated with government agencies that executes its programs and services. As the government's communication arm, PIA has been active in different activities in support of the President's directive. LCAC is one of the cornerstone programs of Duterte, which is highlighted in the issuance of the EO70. PIA 7 represented PCOO as the chair of the Regional Task Force on LCAC, and as part of our mandate, PIA has been active in conducting numerous AGIA forums with different regional government agencies to tackle issues concerning LCAC. PIA facilitated the press conference for the LCAC Visayas Island Activity Meeting of different stakeholders attended by Cebu Media, which laid out the 2020 action plan in countering insurgency in the Visayas regions. PIA also covered the Usapang Pangkapayapaan, Usapang Pangkaunlaran Forum organized by the Philippine Air Force at the Mactan Air Base, where indigenous peoples were guested and interviewed. To promote the e-clip, PIA also conducted forums with the DILG and the DSWD to further disseminate information on the many benefits that rebel returnees can avail from the government. PIA 7 was invited to be part of the burning of illegal drugs seized by the PIDEA in the region. These drugs being part of the dismissed cases for the past 2 decades. In preparation for the commemoration of the 500-year anniversary of the Battle of Mactan, the Quincentennial Committee launched the 500-day countdown. Here, PIA extended media coverage and technical assistance for the fulfillment of their 500-day countdown launch, as well as its press conference in preparation of the said countdown. This quincentennial commemorations in the Philippines is one of the major events headed by the PCOO. The nationwide simultaneous earthquake drill in Talisay City was participated by the PIA in the region together with the Office of the Civil Defense to promote the importance of readiness, especially in the schools. PIA in the region also facilitated an AGIA forum to inform viewers and listeners in the region to closely participate in the said drill. PIA 7 continues to work closely with the Department of Health to inform and educate the public on health-related concerns to promote a physically healthy environment. For the last quarter, we have focused on topics such as skin diseases and HIV/AIDS issues. PIA in the region also participated in the Visayas-wide HIV/AIDS awareness and consultation workshop with different civil society organizations in Cebu Province and other provinces of the Visayas. As the year ended, PIA's efforts in information dissemination and communication in service of the public was recognized and awarded by several partner agencies. The Gawad Kalasag from the Office of the Civil Defense, Population Commission Region 7, Department of Education Region 7, Department of Health Region 7, the Department of Energy Region 7, and the Mactan Cebu International Airport Authority and the GMR Megawide Cebu Airport Corporation. For the past quarter, PIA Central Visayas has accomplished 328 news releases, 686 SMS, 7,083 text blasts, 606 local issues and concerns, and 128 technical assistance. PIA Central Visayas also attended and facilitated 46 fora, 38 radio programs, 10 radio guestings, 83 interagency meetings, and 13 press conferences. PIA is in the service of empowering communities since 1986. A well-informed Filipino is an empowered Filipino.